What's up, everybody? I'm doing another Repkick review. That's repkicks.ru or repkicks.cn. And these are the Space Jam Jordan 11s that came out last year. This is the box cover, which is pretty accurate to the authentic ones. So that comes with a clear, almost see-through, hard plastic cover, which is also with authentic ones. It's a box top with the 4.5. And these took me about a week or so to get. And it takes like about that much time normally. What I would say before you order, make sure they have it in stock, because if they don't, then you have to change your order, which could take even longer. So just make sure they have it in stock before you do the order. This is my third pickup from them. They've been pretty consistent. They're pretty easy to get in touch with. Like the time difference is pretty drastic, so you gotta remember around like 7 o'clock at night, they'll be open, so you can kind of go back and forth and ask some questions. Like I said, they're pretty reliable. I haven't had a problem getting a hold of anybody. I haven't had a problem with people not answering my questions. Like I said, I know people get a little nervous with it, you know, being in China and you have to send money through Western Union and you don't really know if you want to do that or not. And I haven't had a problem with it. Every time I order it, I get it. Like I said, the only thing I would say to do is make sure they have it in stock, because that's one thing that will take longer. But other than that, I haven't had a problem. Customer service is pretty great. Yeah, so let's go and get into it. All right, so the patent leather is pretty good on these. I actually have an authentic pair of 11s and everything matches up. Like I said, the line on here is it's higher here than on the traditional 11s. So it's cut kind of high. So that's not abnormal. Carbon fiber is pretty good. Everything matches up pretty well. The 4.5 stitched in there is pretty good. Like I've already worn these a few times. But I mean, they're pretty good, man. They're pretty comfortable. They're not too tight. So I would get true to size. Whatever your size is, I would get that. I wouldn't go a size up or a size down. These fit pretty comfortable. It's the other one. Okay, so like I said, everything feels pretty good on it. Nothing feels weird or like obviously wrong. So yeah, it's pretty good, man. Everything else, all the other shoes I've gotten from them, like I said, this is my third pickup, have been pretty good. You know, what I would do before I order shoes is kind of do your research on them, and try to compare what the authentic ones look like to their authentics and make sure everything matches up. You know, if you feel nervous about it, that's one thing I would suggest you do. Other than that, like I said, it's repkicks.ru or repkicks.cn. There's a couple other websites that's a little different, like Repkick. It's not that one, it's Repkicks with an S. So that's about it for the review. Thank you.